Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and in today's episode we're talking about how you can make money at farmers markets. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. Hope you enjoy today's episode. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. Today we're talking about how you can make money at farmers markets. Many people have a misconception that farmers markets is literally just for produce, and not all of them are. So you're going to want to check with your local farmers markets to see what all items they do and do not allow at their venue. There are many of them out there that do allow you to have more than just produce. You don't have to have just fruits and vegetables and things like that for food. You could have arts and crafts that you do, handmade soaps. You could have your books. There's a number of different items that you can sell at farmers markets. And then you're not just limited to farmers markets. There are many different venues out there, like vendors events or arts and craft events and different things like that that will allow you to sell various different products. And you can make a fair amount of money. All it takes is you to have a supply of one thing or another, and you drive to these events, set up a small booth, and start selling your items, whatever they may be. And this is just one of the many ways that you can make money from home in no time. I highly recommend checking out my blog at consulttheblindguy.com/blog, where I have an article on this and many more that go into great detail in giving you tips, tricks, and things to consider when it comes to making money from home and online. And maybe you're interested in buying a copy of my limited edition book, Income Booster 100 Plus Businesses You Could Start From Home and Ditch the 9 to 5. There's something in there for everyone, whether you're full-time, part-time employed, unemployed, disabled, or a stay-at-home parent. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Please don't forget to subscribe so you can stay updated on the latest videos, live streams, and more. And I hope you enjoyed today's episode and found it helpful. Until the next time, stay safe, have a great day or evening, depending on where you are in the world, and we'll see you in the next episode.